Earlier this week, our development team released a few exciting and highly requested new features. So I wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through these features. As you know, we strive to continuously release improvements to our platform that support your course instruction and the success of your students. And we hope these new tools will have a positive impact in your Hawks courses. So let's jump in and review some of what was released. Last year, we released the ability to assign fractional point values in the points per step area of a web test. This update allowed for an easier way to ensure that your web test assignments added up to a specific total point value if you manage a points-based gradebook. We recently released a new update that now allows you to assign 0 points to a question added on a web test. One application of this is if you've incorporated any academic integrity policies or honor pledges into your course that students must acknowledge before taking a web test, you can now incorporate those custom questions onto the test itself and assign no points to them. This will hopefully help you to streamline and reduce any extra assignments your students may need to complete in your course. As a reminder, at least one question needs to have points assigned on any assignment created using WebTest, and questions marked as bonus cannot be assigned a point value of 0. To continue our interface improvement updates and ensure all tabs and pages in the gradebook match our newer themes, we've updated both our assignment groups and assignment group details pages. In addition to the overall page refresh, you may notice that the Show Additional Options button was removed from the assignment groups page. This button controlled whether the weight distribution column was visible or not, so we decided to remove that button and instead display this column on the main page by default. All other page functionality remains the same, but we hope releasing this facelift helps to continue our gradebook continuity efforts. We released some additional improvements to our Show Work file upload tool. Last year, we released a Show Work option that can be enabled at the question level for any questions you add to tests and quizzes created using Web Test Builder. This allows for students to add answer justification within a free response box. We released an update to Show Work that now allows students to upload an image file of their work to any questions on a web test where Show Work is enabled for that question. The location of where students go to attach their work file in the student platform has been updated to make it easier to find, and the file size and types accepted is now included so students have a much clearer understanding of what they can upload. So if you want to require students to show work on some or all of the questions you've included on a test, this feature is a really great option. Once a student turns a test in with files attached to any of the questions where it is required, you can review their test and the files they uploaded to that test from our Assignment Reviewer tool. Additionally, so that you can more easily identify question builder questions you've created that are single iteration questions, we've removed the New Values button from the question details area in Web Test Builder. This may help you to more easily select and identify questions to include on tests versus homework. Lastly, to help clarify what an instructor should do if they try to edit another user's locked test, we've updated the pop-up message received in our Assignment Builder tool. The message now informs the user that the assignment they're trying to edit is locked by the test owner and that they need to save as to create a copy. This allows the instructor making edits to create and assign their own updated version. I hope this was a helpful overview of our newly released features and tools. As always, if you have any questions or need assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to your dedicated training and support specialist or email us at training.hawkslearning.com.